Did you know that 64% of Americans don't have enough savings to cover a $1,000 emergency? Take a moment to think about that. More than half of the country is just one unexpected expense away from a financial crisis. But what if I told you that in just 90 days, you could completely change your financial future? Imagine having a solid emergency fund, feeling secure, and finally gaining control over your money. It's not only possible, it's within your reach. Stick around, because today I am going to show you exactly how to take control of your finances in the next 90 days. Many people struggle with finances because they lack savings. Without savings, life can feel precarious, as if you're living paycheck to paycheck. One small emergency can leave you scrambling to find money. Bills pile up, credit card debt increases, and stress levels skyrocket. But here is the good news. You can change all of this. Saving money isn't just about having a cushion for the unexpected. It's about reclaiming control over your life and your future. Picture this. After just 90 days of focused effort, you could have a solid savings foundation. Imagine how empowering that would feel. Instead of worrying about your next bill, you'd be able to make better decisions, take risks, and pursue opportunities you've been hesitant to consider. This isn't just a distant dream. With the right steps, you can make it a reality. Let's explore the solutions that will help you save, take control of your money, and change your financial outlook forever. Now, let's break this down into simple, actionable steps you can follow over the next 90 days to transform your finances completely. Step 1. Understand where your money goes. The first step towards improving your finances is increasing your awareness of your spending habits. If you don't know where your money is going, you can't manage it effectively. Start by tracking every penny you spend for the next month. You can do this by writing it down or using a budgeting app. Examine your spending patterns. Are you spending too much on dining out? Are there subscriptions you no longer use? Do you often make impulse purchases? Tracking your expenses will help you identify the small leaks that drain your account. For example, if you are spending $10 a day on coffee, that amounts to $300 a month. Consider what you could do with an extra $300. This highlights the importance of tracking your spending. It enables you to pinpoint areas where you can cut back without feeling deprived. Step 2. Create a budget. Once you know where your money is going, it's time to create a budget. Don't let this step overwhelm you. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about ensuring your money goes toward the things that truly matter. A simple and effective way to budget is to use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to necessities like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% goes to wants, dining out, entertainment, and shopping. 20% goes toward savings or debt repayment. This budget serves as a guideline, but the most crucial aspect is setting aside money for savings. Even if you start with a small amount, consistency is key. Step 3. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Now that you have tracked your spending and set a budget, it's time to make some adjustments. Take a close look at your expenses, particularly those categorized as wants. You don't have to eliminate everything you enjoy, but cutting back can free up money for savings. For instance, instead of buying lunch every day, consider meal prepping or making your lunch at home. This approach is not only cheaper, but also healthier. By reducing unnecessary spending, you could save hundreds of dollars each month to put towards your savings. One effective way to cut back is by eliminating or reducing recurring charges. Do you have subscriptions you don't use? Perhaps a gym membership or a streaming service you rarely watch? Canceling or downgrading these subscriptions could save you anywhere from $50 to $200 a month. Step 4. Increase your income. While cutting expenses is important, finding ways to increase your income can significantly speed up the process. Look for opportunities to earn extra money on the side. Fortunately, there are numerous ways to boost your income today. Consider starting a side hustle, such as freelancing, driving for a rideshare company, selling handmade items online, or offering tutoring services. You don't have to turn it into a full-time job. Just a few extra hours each week can add a substantial amount to your monthly income. For example, if your side hustle earns you $500 a month, that totals an additional $6,000 a year. Even a smaller boost in income can help you reach your savings goals faster. Step 5. Automate your savings. Once you've begun cutting expenses and increasing your income, it's crucial to prioritize saving. One of the easiest ways to ensure you're saving consistently is by automating your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account every time you receive your paycheck. Even if you start with just $100 a week, that adds up to $400 a month, totaling $1,200 in 3 months. The best part? You won't have to think about it. Automating your savings ensures that you consistently put money aside. Plus, it transforms saving from a chore into a habit. Step 6. Build consistency and stay committed. The final step emphasizes the importance of consistency. Saving money is a long-term habit that requires discipline, but it can be incredibly rewarding. Remind yourself of your motivations. Every dollar saved brings you one step closer to financial freedom. When you achieve a financial milestone, such as saving your first $1,000, take the time to celebrate. This will keep you motivated. If you encounter setbacks or feel tempted to overspend, don't be too hard on yourself. Just refocus and keep moving forward. Step 7. Build an emergency fund. Before diving into investments or larger purchases, it's essential to establish an emergency fund. This fund acts as your safety net. A good rule of thumb is to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. While this may seem daunting, you don't have to achieve it all at once. Start small. Even setting aside $100 each month can make a difference over time. Having an emergency fund can be transformative. It alleviates financial stress, enabling you to focus on long-term goals like saving for a house or retirement without the anxiety of unexpected bills. Additionally, it helps you avoid relying on high-interest credit cards or loans when life throws curveballs. One of the most significant changes that comes from saving money is the shift in your mindset toward wealth. When you begin to save consistently, you start to view money as a tool for growth rather than just something to spend. You begin to realize that every dollar you save is an investment in your future. This shift in mindset is essential for building wealth. You will also notice an increase in your financial confidence. Instead of feeling anxious about money, you will feel empowered and in control. This newfound confidence will extend to other areas of your life, helping you make better decisions, take more calculated risks, and proactively pursue your goals. Financial security offers freedom, not just in your bank account, but in your life choices. With this new mindset, your relationship with money will change. Saving will no longer feel like a burden. Instead, it will transform into a rewarding process of growth and self-discipline. Over time, the habit of saving can evolve into a habit of investing, and ultimately into a habit of building wealth. This transformation lays the groundwork for future success. Saving money is not merely about the numbers in your bank account, it represents a transformation in your mindset. When you start managing your finances more effectively, you will begin to see the world from a different perspective. You will gain confidence in your ability to make smart financial decisions. You will no longer feel as though money is controlling you, but rather that you are in charge of your financial future. Having savings will also change how you make decisions. With a financial cushion, you will be able to take more calculated risks. Whether that means investing in yourself, starting a new project, or even taking time off to recharge. When you reach your savings goal, be it $5,000, $10,000, or more, it will transform how you perceive money. You will come to understand that saving isn't about depriving yourself. It's about investing in your future. Now is the time for you to take the first step toward improving your finances. Start today, track your spending, create a budget, cut back on unnecessary expenses, and begin saving. Commit to these steps, and in 90 days, you will be amazed at how much your financial situation has transformed. If you are serious about building wealth, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more smart money tips. Share your savings goals with us in the comments below. We are all in this together, and we can help keep each other motivated. You have the tools to change your financial future. Let's make it happen. Start now and don't look back. Join the financial freedom journey. Changing your finances in 90 days is just the beginning. Once you reach your $10,000 goal, you will gain the confidence to tackle even bigger financial challenges. This is not just about achieving a savings goal, It's about creating a lasting shift in how you view and manage money. Financial freedom isn't a destination. It's a journey, and every step forward brings you closer to living life on your own terms. If you are feeling motivated right now, I challenge you to take the first step immediately. Whether it's tracking your spending today or creating a simple budget tonight, start now. Don't wait until tomorrow, because your financial future is built on the decisions you make today. Remember, this community is here to support you every step of the way. Share your progress, ask for advice, and let's achieve financial freedom together.